Hey, do you want to learn how to backup and restore your WordPress website with UpdraftPlus? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. Make sure to back up your WordPress website before you delete it from Hostinger. So let's go over to VP admin page, which is going to take you over here. Now on the left hand side, click on plugins and add a plugin. Search for Updraft. And the first option is UpdraftPlus. This is VP backup and migration plugin. Install it. Now you need to click on activate, go inside the settings. So installed plugins and then settings. Or you can also click on this on the left hand side, this UpdraftPlus, which is going to take you over here. Now first you need to go over to settings on the top. Now let's set it to manual. You can also schedule it. So every 2 hours, you need the files backed up. You can do that. There's also a database backup. You can do that as well. Now, make sure to set up your Google Drive and connect it to your WordPress website. So click here and sign in with Google. Once you have done that, click on Save Changes. Click on Sign in with Google. It's going to give you a pop-up for connecting with your Google account. Once you have done that, it's going to show up a page like this. Just click on complete setup over here. Success, you've authenticated your Google Drive account. And let's go over here. Next, you need to click on the backup now button over here, this blue button. And then click on backup now, which is going to start the backup process. And if I click on rescan remote storage, it's going to scan our remote storage location, which is on Google Drive. And it's going to give you all the data from there. And then you can just click on this restore button to restore all the files of your WordPress website back into the new installation that you do. Maybe you install the WordPress on another hosting provider, so you can just restore everything back with this plugin. You can also download this to your computer once it has been backed up. So just click on these buttons to download all the files to your computer. Also, you need to make sure that it's in the remote storage. It's going to show up this icon over here. Otherwise, it's just backed up on your hosting provider, which is Hostinger currently. So you need to download these. Make sure to download them to your computer. Don't wait for the Google Drive backup. Just download all of these files to your computer. That's much better. It's better to be safe.